Elmira with Obadiah's. I did do a first burn on the Elmira Fireview. Today is actually the second day I'm burning my stove. So I have a lot hotter temperatures, and I just want to go through and give you what these temperatures are, because yesterday the temperatures that I gave were a lot lower because it literally was just after one small fire. So these temperatures are going to be much more accurate for everyday burning. Over the cooktop we have 630 degrees. Middle panel is operating at 755 degrees. All the way to the right, your coolest section is operating at 380. Oven is reading 300 degrees right now, but interior, far right hand wall is 600. Over here, got 580. Back, we're operating at 490. Top of the oven, we got 625. So these temperatures are going to be much more accurate for everyday burning. Today, we are actually going to be doing some baking. So again, always burn your stove for at least one day prior to baking in it. So I've got a pie for you guys today. In here we have a strawberry, apple, and pear pie. So this temperature is supposed to bake at 425. My stove is really hot. We just loaded it, which maybe we shouldn't have done. I probably should have checked that oven temp before I loaded it. So right now, if you have like a kind of situation where you're roaring your stove really hot and you're trying to get your oven up to temperature, if you overheat your oven, sometimes that'll happen. With these type of ovens, simply just opening up the door will really help to disperse a lot of heat. And then of course, making sure that you close down your damper controls on the side of the stove. And you can also close down the oven as well, which I've already done. So I'm just gonna wait a few minutes here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Ready to bake. As you can see, we have plenty of room inside this oven. We can put lots of pies in here. Today we're just going to bake one pie, putting it right here in the center. As mentioned with the temperatures, it's got a pretty even range across the oven temps. So I think the pie is going to turn out beautiful. Very excited to see the finished product. So I'll keep you posted. Our pie is ready to come out of the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. You'll notice that I did put a tray below the pie dish. The reason for that is because this is a fruit pie and I was a little bit worried it was going to bubble over, and I didn't want a mess to clean up. I kind of left it in the oven a little bit longer than what I should have. So I did burn my edges. Overall, it baked pretty even. The back of the oven does tend to be a little bit hotter than what the front does. So maybe next time I would just pull it closer to the front of the oven rack. And if you're baking multiple things in the oven, keep that in mind, that the back does range hotter. So if you were baking multiple loaves of bread, if you're baking for like an hour's time frame, you probably would want to switch that around. So glass pan, edges are nice in the pan. They're not actually burnt, so that's good. It's mostly just the top. I hope you guys enjoyed this baking video. The recipe will be shared in the comments below. If you have any questions regarding baking in a wood cook stove, wood cook stoves in general, or the Elmira Fireview, please give us a call. We're always available to answer any questions you have. Have a wonderful day.